Hypothalamus artificial intelligence, HI. Digital transformation powered by real-time autonomous and intelligent algorithms. Presents the video. Economic value added by advanced mathematical models. Or operations research, billions and billions of dollars in social and economic benefits. Or the chicken of golden eggs of the enterprises. Analytics is one of the pillars of the so-called smart computing. This is based on the statement of Andrew Bartels of Forrester Research, who in the study Smart Computing Drives the New Era of IT Growth states, verbatim. Smart computing is a new generation of integrated hardware, software, and network technologies that provide IT systems, with real-time awareness of the real world and advanced analytics, to help people make more intelligent decisions about alternatives and actions that will optimize business processes and business balance sheet results. The fundamental support of smart computing is the mathematical modeling of the organization that has produced billions and billions of dollars in benefits. From the above, it can be deduced that optimization based on mathematical models is a great business opportunity in first world countries and in developing countries. Jeremy Shapiro, professor of the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, says, "The primary benefit of a DSS is the explicit reduction in costs and the increase in profits. Cost reduction of 8% performed by our client is not atypical. In our experience, the integrated analysis of planning problems, using mathematical models, determines strategies between 3 and 20% cheaper. Many companies do not allow them to publish their positive experiences, as they consider that an advanced decision support system gives them a competitive advantage." For more than 4 decades, winners of the Edelman Award have been recognized for transforming how they approach some of the world's most complex problems. The 2020 finalists are no exception, with revolutionary contributions in robotics, cruise industry pricing and booking, railway planning and productivity, IT system sustainability, corporate decision-making, and retail inventory operations. Finalists for the Edelman Award have contributed to a cumulative impact of more than $292 billion since the award's inception. The list of winners of the Franz Edelman Award for Achievement in Operations Research and the Management Sciences, from 2000 until 2021, are presented in the table. On the other hand, Jeffrey Alden, of General Motors Analytics Research, says, more than $336 billion U.S. dollars of impact. Since 1974, Edelman competition finalists published their project accomplishments in the Informs, Institute for Operations Research and Management Science, Journal on Applied Analytics. These conservative guidelines exclude important yet difficult to quantify reported benefits, such as improvements in legal dispute resolution, cancer treatments, airline safety, epidemic disease control, organizational structure, on-time railways, space shuttle heat shielding, and water quality. Below are some brief presentations from the 2022 Edelman Awards. 2020 Franz Edelman Award was won by Intel. The tech giant receives coveted award for integrating product architecture design with supply chain planning. Below are the success stories reported by the finalists of Edelman 2020. Intel has earned $25 billion by applying advanced analytics. Intel face efficient product feature design coupled with supply chain planning. It is critical to Intel's success given its scale, complexity of its products and manufacturing processes, and the highly capital-intensive nature of the semiconductor business. In response to an exponential increase in complexities, Intel developed an innovative set of capabilities, using advanced analytics, that span product feature design through supply chain planning, with the goal of maximizing revenue while minimizing cost. This set of capabilities is fast and effective, enabling analysis of many more business scenarios, in much less time than previous solutions, while providing superior results including faster response to customers. Implementation of this capability over the majority of Intel's product portfolio has provided average annual benefits in increased revenue and decreased cost of $1.9 billion and $1.5 billion, respectively, with a total benefit of $21.2 billion to date, while also contributing to Intel's environmental goals of reducing water usage and preventing wastewater. Carnival and PLC build yield optimization and demand analytics, a cutting-edge program using advanced analytics and algorithms to provide dynamic price recommendations and inventory management. The program is a global collaboration involving leaders from 6 brands and teams across 3 continents who manage prices in 6 currencies. Since the system deployed in late 2017, it has been used to set prices on thousands of cruise voyages. Deutsche Bahn, the largest European railway company, is moving more efficiently thanks, in part, to a new decision support system. The system optimizes train rotations in cargo, regional and long-distance passenger transport divisions. The changes have resulted in direct savings in addition to better planning and productivity. The productivity of the locomotives and railcars has increased up to 10%, while the time savings were up to 80%. Global Technology Services unit of IBM has developed a cutting-edge system that utilizes machine learning and advanced data analytics to identify devices, such as servers, that are at risk for an outage. The system determines contributing risk factors, for example, outdated hardware, and prompts a fix before the problem occurs. Since 2013, executing recommended actions has reduced outages by 23%. This translates into savings of more than $1 billion every year for IBM's clients. The IBM team is also using this system to drastically reduce the number of problematic systems for clients by as much as 85%. Walmart's model of offering consistently low prices depends on constantly innovating to find new ways to reduce costs. The company developed a new system using machine learning to help perfectly time markdowns, to optimize sales and clear excess inventory in its stores. The technique relies on operations research and provides feedback to help avoid excess inventory ordering in the future. The technology has already helped the company save millions of dollars. Amazon fulfillment centers are the bones of the company's global operations network. Order picking plays a significant role in the overall process and accounts for a large part of the building's ability to drive faster cycle times and higher throughput. Amazon's revolutionary robotic system has reduced costs by identifying ways in which Amazon can process the picking of items faster and more efficiently across multiple floors and pick stations. The technology overall has led to significant performance improvement through stowing and picking inventory to facilitate sortation of multi-item shipments, reducing robotic systems travel by 31%. This has resulted in millions in savings per Amazon Robotics Fulfillment Center. Advanced mathematical models is the chicken of golden eggs of the enterprises. Some success stories have been made public. Success case: China National Petroleum Corporation. The paper operations research enables better planning of natural gas, presents the use of mathematical optimization models for pipeline planning. China's natural gas consumption has nearly doubled in the past 5 years. To better meet demand, the China National Petroleum Corporation, CNPC, China's largest producer and supplier of oil and natural gas, partnered with researchers from the University of California in Berkeley and Tsinghua University in Beijing to apply operations research to develop and implement new software to help CNPC to improve the management of its pipeline network. Previously, all pipeline production and construction planning for CNPC, which controls 72% of the country's natural gas resources and 70% of its pipeline network, was done by traditional methods using spreadsheets. However, due to the increasing size and complexity of the network, the use of the traditional method resulted in excessive costs and wasted resources. Since implementing the new software, which uses a 3-stage convex relaxation method and iterative piecewise linear approximation methods, in late 2014, CNPC has obtained approximately $530 million of American dollars in increased earnings, 2015 to 2017. In addition, the resulting increase in the efficiency of the existing pipeline network allowed the company to postpone the addition of new pipes, leading to an official budget reduction of more than $20 billion of American dollars in construction costs for the following 5 years. The image present the algebraic formulation of the natural gas pipeline transmission model. Without fear of being wrong, it can be said that mathematical optimization models are the goose that lays the golden eggs of China National Petroleum Corporation. Success case: integrated planning for poultry production at Sagia. The diagram presents the connectivity of the system models. PIPA, Integrated Poultry Production Planning, developed by Sagia, covers the three hierarchical levels of planning: strategy, tactics, and operation, and it is supported by predictive analytics, for the statistical support of processes, and by prescriptive analytics, for the optimization of industrial processes. A fundamental part of the success of the PIPA system is the coordination of all aspects related to the rearing of multiple types of birds, which supply commercial products for different markets, and which require a fully controlled fattening process, taking into account the production of concentrated feed, for birds of different ages, and the provision of such feed in multiple farms. As can be seen in the graph, since the implementation of PIPA, the gap in bird weight volatility has been closed. This is because if birds of a certain age are fed appropriately for another age, it will be a waste of resources. If at the age of X weeks, they take food for an older age, they will not have the ability to assimilate all the nutrients that are provided to them. If, on the other hand, they eat food at a younger age, they will not gain the expected weight, because the nutrients are not given in the right amounts. This synchronicity became an economic benefit for Sagia. Technical and economic benefits. By 1994, the use of mathematical models had resulted in savings of $50 million of American dollars over a 3-year period. Because of improved conversion of feed to live weight of animal, better use of poultry to produce products classified by weight, controlling weight variation within groups of birds, daily control of production, daily compliance of almost 100% of production plants, with increased production of higher value products, increased flexibility and reduced lead time to market demand, and timely and wide range of studies for different future price and demand scenarios, to support strategic decisions. Standardized and easily socializable formulations. Advanced analytics mathematical programming models are not black boxes. Detailed results can be tracked, understood and audited, and systematic analysis of results is much better and faster than intuition and experience-based assumptions. Land use is complex and globally connected. Accurate accounting of available resources. High precision and long simulation period. Models based on macroeconomic behavior. Detailed models based on scientific reasoning. Little influence of intuition on results. Little influence of modeler expectations on outcomes. Better data availability. They discover unforeseen behaviors that are difficult to guess, and increased likelihood of discovering errors. Competitiveness is the result of the sum of three productivities: technological, efficiency of industrial processes; economic, effective market access; managerial, effectiveness of the decision-making process. Managerial productivity achieves a 15% cost reduction, and it is the result of the use of decision-making artificial intelligence. Considering that it is a soft and digital technology, it is the one that generates the greatest relative economic benefit. Like Herbert Simon, Hypothalamus AI believes that the computer-based mathematical modeling is the greatest invention of all times. Thank you for your attention.